Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the parameter is incorrect during change Bluetooth or when you try to change the Bluetooth user support service in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, type for services. The moment you have typed it, proceed with the best match and go with run as administrator. Wait until a new window would appear, which is the services. And here you need to look for an option called Bluetooth Support Service. Please do a right click, go with Properties, and in this window, copy the service name. Control C to copy. Once you have copied it, paste it here in your notepad. Okay? Or you can simply take a note of it so that you can have it. Okay? Have the copy. Once you're done, close this, minimize the services window first, and proceed to our second step. Our second step would be at the bottom search bar again. This time, you need to type for Reged Edit. The moment you have typed that, proceed with the best match, which is registry editor, and go with run as administrator. Your role will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to run the window as administrator. Where here, you need to copy this registry path, which I'll be including at the description box below, or you can simply pause this video so that you can take a note of it. Click on enter. Once done, add an extension, which is backward slash, then paste the service name that we have just copied earlier. Click enter, and you would be redirected to the Bluetooth user service underscore 6FA11. Where here you need to look for a value called start, and you need to change the value data into the startup type that you want to change with. So I have here a guide. So if you want to set the Bluetooth support service into automatic, then proceed by typing number 2. And if you want to set it into manual, proceed by typing number 3. And if you want to disable such, proceed by number 4. Again, I have here a guide. If you want to set the Bluetooth user service into automatic, type 2. If you want manual, then 3, and if you want to disable that, type 4. Okay? In my case, I would prefer on setting it into 3, meaning manual. Once done, click on OK and close all of these paths that we have just opened. Once done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.